In the center is your wire speed. The lowest setting is 120, and it goes up to 308. This is measured in inches per minute. When you adjust the wire speed, your voltage will change to the correct setting for that speed. On the bottom right is your parameters. While using FluxCore MIG, you can adjust your voltage from a -3 to a +3. While using stick, you'll have control over your arc force and your hot start. On your upper right is your wire feed. The wire feed you're going to use while loading your MIG gun. The longer you press the button, the faster the speed will go. On your upper left is your mode. In your mode, you will be able to switch between FluxCore, stick, and the optional lift TIG. On the bottom left is your wire diameter. Your choices are between 0.35 and the 0.30. Let's load up some FluxCore wire.